In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create one-click subscribe links in Beehiiv. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's dive right in. If you're looking to make it easier for your audience to subscribe to your newsletter, creating one-click subscribe links is a great way to streamline the process. It enhances the user experience by minimizing the steps they need to take to sign up, making it more likely they'll join your community. First, let's get started by logging into your Beehiiv account. If you don't have one yet, it's really easy to sign up and get started. Once you're in, you will want to navigate to your dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Now look for the tab or option that says Subscribers, or perhaps Audience. This is typically located on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking on that will give you access to the entire subscriber management area. Here, you can see all your current subscribers and manage your lists. Next, we're going to create that special one-click subscribe link. To do this, look for a button or an option that says New Campaign or Create Link. The exact wording might vary, but either will help us get where we need to go. Click on it, and you should see options to create different types of links. Choose the option that allows you to create a subscription link. You might be prompted to customize this link, and honestly, this is one of the best parts. You'll want to think about how you'd like it to appear. For instance, you could get creative with the wording, like using something catchy that resonates with your audience. Something like Join the Adventure or simply Subscribe Here can be very inviting. Once you've settled on the wording, you may have choices about where to link this to. Generally, you'll want to direct this link to your subscription form or a specific landing page designed for new subscribers. Take your time here, as making sure this link leads directly to an easy entry point can significantly affect your sign-up rates. After setting up the link, save your changes. It's always a good idea to double-check that everything looks right. Consider clicking on the link yourself to ensure that it takes you where it's supposed to. Test it out, and make sure the user experience is as seamless as possible. Now that your one-click subscribe link is ready, it's time to put it out there. You might be wondering where you can use this link effectively. One fantastic option is to include it in your social media profiles. Think about it. When people check your page, they can easily click that link and join your newsletter right away. That's a powerful tool. Additionally, consider embedding this link in your website or blog, perhaps in the footer or a sidebar where it can always be seen, making it convenient for visitors to subscribe at any time. This is just one more way to keep your audience engaged and growing. You could also include this link in your email signature. This small touch can do wonders to get new people interested in your content. And don't forget to share it in your existing newsletters. Reminding your current subscribers to share the link can help spread the word even further. As you start to see more subscribers coming in through this one-click subscribe link, take a moment to analyze what's working. Beehiiv often provides analytics to help you understand how effective your engagements are. Check your stats to see if there's more interest coming from certain platforms, and consider focusing your marketing efforts there. In conclusion, creating one-click subscribe links in Beehiiv is not only straightforward, but also a highly effective strategy for growing your audience. With just a few simple steps, you can streamline the process for new subscribers and improve their overall experience. So head over to your Beehiiv dashboard, create that link, and watch your subscriber count rise. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips.